popped up. It went 50, 60, 90, 120, 130%. I was like, I want to catch in either around a psychological number or on a pullback. So the stock is, like I said, it's already up 130%. It hit 5. Now this is within a new 5-minute, right? Because it's 8:01. So technically the candlestick you see on the left, the big green one, it's the first candle. Then this is the first of the new 5 minutes. So I figured it'd be, buying dips down to 450. I found a daily level at 434, so I figured that would be potential support. So at this point in time, I got about 1,000 shares, which is roughly a $4,500 position. Now, technically, I went against my rules and I kind of sized in for what this is, because you gotta remember, this is breaking news momentum, so it's super volatile one way or the other. You can either make your account or break your account. So I figured, all right, we're gonna get probably a 4 bounce. I'll add down to 375-ish and then sell out near 4. And if we hit 434, I'll buy more into breaking out than hitting 5. That was my thought process mentally. So as you can see, I'm down about $800. I got 1,100 shares, which is 14%, which is technically way past my max loss. So I said, okay, we got some buyers soaking up here. We could probably close near 375 and $4. So I said to myself, we could probably close near 375. I'll add in for the break of 4, and that should put me around break even. So I add more shares here. But as I was seeing this, get soaking up right here, we got 250,000 shares being traded in this 1-minute candlestick. I said, okay, we got a wick right there. We'll probably pull back to 3 again and then go back up. So I said, okay, I'm going to buy a little bit more. Bought some more at 350, 346. I figured this will be part of the wick, and then we go back towards VWAP cross, and I'll probably sell into it because my average is around 405. And as you can see, this stock is not dumping, which is a good thing and a bad thing. If a stock doesn't dump and you see it, go to 3, then bounces 350, holds around, and it's not dumping, it potentially could be a controlled walk down. So I said, okay, we got a lot of buyers in from the first candlestick near 250 to 5, okay? So shorts stuffed it near 5. Eventually, shorts have to cover, right? And how do shorts cover? They have to buy. So I'm thinking shorts are going to cover here, okay? Which means they're going to buy. Buyers step in. They'll be part of this wick. We got to remember, shorts are now up $2.50 per share from the high, which is 5. Maybe some took profit around 3, and that's why you saw the wick of the hammer. But for as many shares that were short sold, we need more of a bounce, and there's no bounce. So I said, okay, more than likely they'll probably bounce it near 250, if I had to guess. So at 8:09, we see some buying coming in. Is this normal buying pressure? Is it shorts covering? I couldn't really tell looking at the time and sales and the tape. At 8:12, the tape stalls. There's no buying, there's no selling. So I said, okay, let me buy a little bit more because I think we're going to get the bounce to 3. So I buy some shares. I'm at 13,000 shares, 15,000, 20,000 shares, 22,000 shares. I said, okay, this is going to be it. And it bounced. This is where shorts are covering, and this is where longs are stepping in possibly. Maybe not a lot, but they're stepping in. So I said, okay, my average is 271. I'm going to start selling near 280, 290, and as you see, I'm taking some profit off. I'm up 1,700, 1,800. So I said, okay, we're going to hit 3. Buyers are stepping in. The tape speeds up. We hit 295, 296. I am selling into this resistance as soon as I see 3 break on the tape. So I'm just selling my position 25% at a time. Just selling into it. I figured it was going to bounce off 3. This will still be the wick of the new 5. And then we cross VWAP, and it doesn't do that. So I just said, you know what? You got the dead cat bounce. You found out where shorts covered. You're up roughly 4 grand on the day. Walk away. So that's what I'm doing. If you guys got any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. If you need help with anything, just reach out in the comments. Follow me on YouTube, TikTok. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out. Remember, I got a free Discord for YouTube channel. I post a watch list every morning. Sometimes I'm done early like this. Sometimes I'm done around 9:30. Could be 10, but by 10:30, I'm done trading the market because the opportunities happened. It is what it is. I will see you guys in the next video. All right, guys. So I traded a couple stocks this morning in pre-market. One of them being SBFM, CODX, and RYOJ, which have breaking news. So I saw it spiking up. It hit the scanners, and I figured this could get real volatile real quick. So let's break it down.